Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Fartaksan. I am a software engineering technology student at Polytechnic Eden Bogor. In this video, I'm excited to present my hardware project for our course under the guidance of Pak Dedi. The project is titled Kantinku, a smart canteen digital payment system based on RFID and IoT. So for this presentation, I will take you behind the scene to explore the technical core of the system. We will look at the hardware components, dive into the code logic within the Arduino IDE, and demonstrate how data is transmitted and fetched from the Firebase database in real time. So let's go. Okay, first let's look at the hardware. The brain of the system is the ESP32 microcontroller. I choose the ESP32 because it has a built-in Wi-Fi module, which is essential for our IoT connectivity. And the ESP32 is connected to the RFID RC522 reader module. This module job is to read the unique ID or UID, and from this RFID card and keychain text, it communicates with the ESP32 using the SPI protocol. So this is the hardware, and then let's look to Arduino IDE. Okay, now let's look at the software side. I'm using the Firebase ESP32 client library to bridge the communication between our hardware and database. In the setup function, the device establishes a connection to the Wi-Fi network and initialize the Firebase configuration using our specific database URL. And the most important part is in the loop function. When a card is detected, the ESP32 reads UID and packages it into a JSON format. So this data is then sent to the scans latest path in Firebase. But here is the best part. Right after sending the data, the code instantly performs a GET request to user directory. This allows the ESP32 to immediately fetch the student's name and balance and display it on serial monitor like this in real time. Let's start the live demo. As you can see on the screen, the ESP32 is currently online. Okay, and now I will tap my first card, this, to my RFID, and look at the serial monitor. It says scan send, and immediately fetch the data. User John Cena with a balance 60,000 rupiah in the Firebase console. You can see the data not flashing, it updates. And now I will try the second tag, my keychain. It instantly identifies the user as Farid Aksan with balance of 50,000 rupiah. This bidirectional communication happens almost instantly because of the real-time database socket. And this hardware setup is fully integrated with our Laravel backend. The Laravel system acts as listener that monitors, this scans and process the final transaction at the cashier post. So in conclusion, the communication of ESP32 hardware and Firebase Speed and Laravel Logic creates a professional and robust digital payment terminal for our smart canteen. So that's all for my presentation. Maybe I hope this give a clear technical overview of the system, and thank you very much for your attention, and barakallahu fikum.